So ourselves. So good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining us today. I'm pleased to introduce you to a major innovation in our hotbox. It's the Marvtech e-Hotbox. It's gasless, flameless, and above all, safer. Why we developed the e-Hotbox is originally our focus was on using an LPG burner system. We improved efficiency using a Primax burner with a flame modulation and an added ISPO valve for safety reasons. But the market demanded a safer and cleaner and simpler solution for an ever-changing work environment. With the new static hotboxes that we already had in production, we had to the next challenge was to make this onto truck mounted. So we partnered up with Holsteins and integrated their Econ power unit to work with our electric e-Hotbox.
So the e-Hotbox removes the need for LPG completely. We use heating elements that are powered by an engine-driven generator. This means you've no gas bottles, you've no live flame, you've no storage of hazardous containers, you've no manual handling, no lifting. You've just got a cleaner, safer approach that aligns with modern standards. Plug that again. And again. There's a lot of safety aspects to this. So you've got no manual lifting gas bottles, no need for onboard LPG storage to reduce potential fire risks, no live flames near any hazards, so you're not driving into a petrol station with a live flame anymore. Next slide. So the big driver behind this was to remove the LPG entirely and try and help us reduce your carbon footprint for each vehicle. So instead of having LPG and diesel to run the hotbox, you're just running it all on a diesel. Next slide. Yeah. They're well behind here.
CO2 emission.
So the environmental impact is substantial. The hybrid heating system uses around 7 horsepower of engine power, contributing to minimal fuel consumption. Again, we've removed the LPG entirely, which is around 126 kilo per bottle. Based on some studies we've done, you save around 8 ton of CO2 annually. This one. You can tell by loads of practice. Oh, there you go. So, to summarise, electric heating via an engine-driven generator, minimal fuel impact, you've got preheating options with a 415 socket, estimated savings of around £7,000 of LPG usage, you can have twin or single zone heating, pneumatically controlled lids from the cab to increase safety again. Currently we've only got 18 ton and 26 ton chassis options. We're looking at trying to do it on smaller vehicles, so 7.5 ton, 12 ton, but at the moment the trucks just aren't there yet to provide the power that we need. Can either have a generator side mount on the truck or behind the cab. And then basically put whatever else you want on the truck that you might need for added safety, I suppose. And I think that's it. All of that's in 5 minutes.
Thank you very much.
Very excited.
You had a schedule out, that's quite a bit there.
Is that us still?
No, can't go yet.
Your other question.
Has anybody got any questions? I've got a couple.
Okay.
So setup is I call it a donkey engine, little diesel donkey engine that runs the heated part of the box. It's a compressor, more of a compressor that's working off an engine-driven PTO. So it then exchanges it then into electricity.
Yeah.
That then runs the
heating elements.
heating elements under the gas outbox.
That's separate from the cab, the chassis, the cab, the engine, the dashboard. So
it runs continuously with the engine all the time. As soon as the engine is activated, you have the option to have it on standby mode or not running. But when the compressor's running, it then generates the electric kilowatts to run the components under the hotbox.
Yeah. And is it, this is your new kit, your new machine?
Yeah, it's been on the road about
12, 13
months. We've got about 30 of these vehicles out there running successfully. Its first demo vehicle went into OCU 12 months ago. And then other tier one contractors came on board, like Network Plus, and they actually, OCU or OCU Group, they changed all their orders to the electric hotbox. When they originally ordered 27, they wanted them on gas. But when we introduced the e-Hotbox and it was successful, they changed all the orders, and going forward, they'll all be on the e-Hotbox.
Excellent. Is there any market for retrofitting?
Unfortunately not, due to the engines and the gearboxes. And it can be done, but it's not cost effective. Yeah. We've been asked that many questions, really. Can I fit it on my 58 plate DAF or whatever vehicle? Yeah, probably could, but it's not going to be cost effective.
You might as well buy a new one.
You might as well go for a new vehicle.
That's it. Thanks, Dan.
Thank you very much. Cheers.